Let's go check these muffins, all right? And we're gonna have a look and we'll test them all those ways that I told you we're gonna test them. The bigger ones, the first thing I'm gonna do to test is I'm just gonna press on them, okay? And they should spring back, and they do. Oh, this one doesn't. I don't know if you can see that. Watch, I'm gonna give you a close-up here. These ones are a little bit bigger. Watch this, okay? Oh, that one does, but this one doesn't. Look at it, it caves in. It does not spring back, right? So, and the same with that one, caves in, it springs back a little bit. That pan I'm going to go in, but these ones, look, they spring back nicely. Okay, so that pan I'm just going to put in there for another, I don't know, minute or two. These ones here, the other test that we could do is grabbing a toothpick and in the bigger ones, just inserting it, pulling it out, making sure it's clean, and it is. Or grab your internal read thermometer and you're looking for 205 to 209 internal temperature on these muffins. I'm climbing 203, 204. Yeah, we're good. So that's your 3 ways of testing your muffins. Again, you don't want them overcooked, but you don't want them undercooked. You're trying to capture where it's just cooked, where it's still nice and moist without having them too dry from being overcooked.